everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. All right, can we talk about my hair for a second? All right, this was my pretty much first time doing a twist out, just a regular twist out, not flat twist or anything like that, because I don't know how to do flat twists anyway. I'm not a hair person by any means. Usually my hair is natural. I've been natural for 5 years. But all I generally do is wear protective styles, which may be, you know, I wear just twist or braids, twist outs or braid outs, or I do my wash and go. That's it. I mean, nothing, because I don't know how to do a lot of these hairstyles out here. Now I do get, you know, braids from time to time, like the Singalese twist or box braids or something like that, or I may wear a ponytail, something like that. But generally for my own hair, it's basically wash and goes. That's me all the time, just all the time, because it's easy to do. But anyway, I did this two-strand twist out using some products that I saw another YouTuber use, and I think it actually came out, you know, pretty good, because, you know, my hair is shaped kind of, you know, like this, the bob thing going on and all that. But I think it came out pretty good. It's got a lot of definition there. Look at that thing. Look at that. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. You know, I've seen better, but I think mine look good for me. You know, it's pretty cool. I like it. And then just some edge control up on the edges. You know, that's all I usually do. There's never no real fanciness to my hair. So anyway, all right, let's get back into the video of today. February Boxycharm unboxing. Now, before we get started, can we just subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on the video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. All right, here we go. Boxycharm. All right, let's open it up. I just got back from a girl's day with my mother and sister, so my face is done up. So if there's any makeup products in here, unfortunately this month I will not be doing a try on like I did last month. All righty. All right, first thing we have here, of course, is the little insert that tells us what it is. This month's theme is Afterglow. Afterglow. All right, and of course on this side it just tells you all the products that are in the box and how much they cost. Now, for anyone who does not know, a Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It is $21 a month, and if you like, you can upgrade to their Boxy Luxe, which is which is $28.99 on top of the $21 that you already pay, and that only comes every 3 months, which is what's that, March, June, September, and December. And yeah, you just get a more updated amount of products. Like in the regular Boxycharm, you get about 5 products. In the Boxy Luxe, you get, I'm gonna guess, about maybe 10. I did get my first one in December, and I absolutely loved it, so I continued with the upgrade. All right, now the first thing that I see here is the No Pore Blem Primer. It's a primer. I've seen a lot of people talk about this product, so I'm very anxious to try this primer. I love primer. No Pore Blem. Instead of problem, pore blem. All righty. This is nice. Very nice. Let me see. Nice and smooth. Okay, nice. All right. And that is, let's see here. $18. That's how much that costs, $18. Next thing is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Looks like this. Nice. Has a little thing on there. Let me open that up. Take it off. Oh, smells like honey. Because you can tell it looks like honey. Smells like, oh, I'm putting it to the camera like you can smell it too. Oh my gosh. Smells good though. Smells good. Nice cleanser. Yes. All right, and the cleanser is $22. Next thing I see is the Trestique Prime and Color Lip Glaze. All right, and it looks like this. And look at that, it's like a little magnet. Oh, that's like a little magnet. That's the lip color, looks like this. All right, and then the primer's on this side. Oh, that's cute. So you're supposed to prime your lips first, which is, you know, just the regular clear base for a primer. So it's not no color or anything, but yeah, you prime your lips first and then you put on the lip color. Next thing I see is, this is what I was most anticipated on getting, because I did see a picture of it. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I have tried a few times before. I had got a sample one time from Sephora. Then I did buy it before. I only bought it once, but this is the second time. But I'm very happy because I really liked it when I did buy it. For whatever reason, I never went back to get another full-size one, so I don't know why not. But anyway, it looks like this. All right. Oh, I forgot to tell you the price of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. That retails for $24. And the Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon, that goes for $25. And let's see. Oh, and there's one more thing in here, and it is the Vulgar, something by Vulgar. I love Vulgar. Shimmering Swan. Alrighty, this is a highlighter, Shimmering Swan. If I can open it, that would be great. Okay, Shimmering Swan. Let me take my little fan brush here just to, you know, already got some highlight on, which, can we guess what kind of highlight I got on, everybody? That's right, Lordly Los Angeles. Alrighty, let's dip that up in there. Let's see what it's like. I'm not going nowhere else today, so, you know, put a little here. See what that looked like. Maybe I should put some on my hand, because it's not gonna really show if I do it there, is it? Nice. I don't know. I don't feel like I'm getting a lot off with doing the brush. I can't really show you on my, because I already got highlight on. So, you know, but I feel like I'm not getting a lot of product out of here. Let me try my other highlight. Well, sometimes I use the Luxie, what is this? Luxie 240 as a highlight. That's what I use to put on this today. So let's just dip right into this and see what I can see. Some here. Well, again, I can't really tell because I already got highlight on. So, but this is very pretty. We'll see once I don't have any highlight on. And the Pretty Vulgar highlight goes for goes for $32. $32. So that was everything in the box, and I do like this box a lot. You know, since I've been getting the box, this appears to be like probably the first time I don't see an actual palette, which is fine because I still love the box. It's no big deal. But I'm saying, as far as I can remember, I've had a palette in every one. Yeah. You know, there might have been another story. Okay. Anyway, but yeah, this is a great box and I like it a lot. Very much so than last month, because last month's box, I didn't like that great. But anyway, so that is the end of the unboxing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.